Hey guys, Wes here with Rocky Mountain, and today we're down here in beautiful Moab, Utah, enjoying some time in our side-by-sides, but we figured it'd be a good opportunity to share some driving tips and tricks. This segment is so fast growing. There's so many new UTV riders out there, and we love it. We love that you're out there enjoying the trails, but I wanted to share a quick tip that I'm sure a lot of you guys already know about, but you may not think about the why, and that is hand position on the steering wheel. And so you've probably already heard, 10 and 2, 9 and 3 in your driver's ed courses, and that is good practice. But I wanted to talk about, the why behind that. We want to keep you guys safe out there enjoying time in your side-by-sides out on the trails. So basically, let's go through hand position first. So obviously you don't want to cool guy it one hand at 12 o'clock. That is not what you want to do. We really like 9 and 3. I mean, there are actually some service manuals that'll recommend certain hand positions, but 9 and 3 is what's going to give you the most control when you're going through the trail and encountering different obstacles. But the biggest mistake that I see people make is wrapping their thumbs and just gripping the steering wheel like this. That is not what you want to do. Now, these newer machines the power steering is so impressive. It dampens so much of that feedback that you'd normally get through the steering wheel from the tires encountering different obstacles and rocks and stuff. But occasionally you will get something that will come all the way through the wheel and rip it out of your hands almost. So when that feedback comes through the wheel, we've seen people break wrists, thumbs, really bad sprains, and those can take a long time to heal. You've got a lot of little bones in your wrist. I'm sure some of you have probably dealt with this personally, but they're hard to fix. They take a long time to heal. And like I said, we're trying to keep you guys out on the trail enjoying your side-by-side. So 9 and 3, people, this is the danger zone. Keep your thumbs out of there. Some steering wheels are better than others. I've known some of the older Can-Ams actually had 2 crossbars going through the wheel instead of 1. That would be terrible to put your thumbs inside of that window there. So yeah, keep them out of the wheel as much as you can. Just make it a conscious thing, and pretty soon it'll be a good habit for you guys. So yeah, if you guys have other tips and tricks, comment below, help these drivers out. And yeah, make sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.